Hello dear student, my name is Professor Kiran Balu Mojad, Physics Department, SVKT College, Devlali Camp, Nasik. Today's lecture is going on TYBSc student, paper number 5th, Computational Physics, Unit 1st, Introduction to C Programming. Learning objective. Student will know the basic idea of syntax of C programming language. Reserve words, algorithm, flowchart, constant, variable, operators, function, etc. Session agenda. Basic information of computer languages, algorithm, flowchart. Basic information of computers. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. It is a processing of data. The computers are used in many places, like home uses to astrophysics, astronomers. Types of computers. Analog computer. Analog computer is used to analog to data. Digital computers is the digital computer is processing of input data. Formation of computers which have three parts. First, input parts means input units. Input units are keyboard, monitors, joy key, floppy disks, hard disks, which are the input devices. Next, CPU. CPU is the main brain of computers. Which are three parts. First, ALU, arithmetic logic units. Next, CU, control units. Third, IU, input units. Input units means memory. Memories are two parts. First, ROM, read only memory. This is this is a permanent memory of computers. Next, RAM. RAM is a random access memory. It is access memory. Your computer is shut down, this data will be deleted. Next, output units. Monitors, printers, CD drive, floppy disks are output devices of computers. Computer languages. Language is operate to hardware of the computer, means any robotics like machine operate to the instruction of C languages. This application is convert to information to apply to machines. Types of languages. First, machine language. It is a low level language. It is only give the data 0 and 1. Next, assembly language. Assembly language is middle language. It is a it is make only English alphabets and symbols. Third, user oriented language means higher level language. Higher level language is made up only English alphabets and special characters. And higher level languages are many languages. First, Java, C, C++, POCOL. It is a high level languages. Algorithm. Algorithm is a finite sequence of instruction which can be carried out to solve the particular problem in order to obtain the desired results. Characteristics of algorithms. First, definiteness. It is those data are correctly and perfectly or precisely. Algorithm must be organized properly. Finiteness. Which data will be applied to the program will be finite. Input. Correct data is correct data is provided to the program, and output is many less error in this program. And effectiveness. Next, advantages of algorithm. General purpose tool, easy to understand program, written in English, identification of error is easier. Limitations of algorithm. First, time consuming, difficult to show branching and repetitive tasks in algorithm. For big tasks, algorithm can be lengthy and complicated. How to develop the algorithm? Means problem solving involve following steps. First, study the program in details, redefining and restarting the problem, identifying the output requirements, input data, condition and limitation, generating the comparing alternative methods of solution. Next, fifth, selecting the method which is considered to be as the best methods. 6. Preparing a logical and concise list of procedures of steps of determining the solution. 7. Computing the result, and last, examine the result for correctness. Algorithm and flowcharts to find the sum of two numbers. It is an example of a sum of two numbers. For write two algorithms. First, start. Step second, input the first number, say A. Step third, input the second number, say B. It is step 4 is a processing, means sum is equal to A plus B. Why? It is a sum of two numbers. Step 5, display the sum. Step 6, stop. It is a steps of algorithms. The flow chart is a flowchart is a pictorial representation an algorithm that uses boxes of different shapes to denote the different type of instructions. The different shapes and instructions. First symbol name is terminal. It is a input. It is a start and end of the program. Next symbol is a name. Next symbol is a his name is input and output. Means in this symbol is used for input and output instruction of data. Next, third symbol is called process. It is processing of data is denoted in this program. Next, fourth symbol name is decision. It is a decision making or conditional based data is represent in this box. Fifth, it's subroutine function. This is subroutine function. 6 connectors. Two parts of the programs are connected in these symbols. 7 flow lines. 8 module call, which is means subroutine functions. Advantages of flowcharts. First, better communication. It is explained to easier to the programmer to another programmer. Next, effective coding. It acts as a roadmap of a program. Means program is which of the flow of flowing. Third, effective analysis. it is a main branch of advantages in the flowcharts advantages. Uh, it is a break the program in a small parts and analyze to the error. Next, symptomatic debugging. The removing the error is called the debugging. Fifth, proper program documentation. And last, flow charts is a computer language independent and hence it is general purpose tools. Limitations of flowcharts. First, the flowcharts is a time consuming process. Second, any change or modification is flowchart is difficult. And last, very often it is very lengthy and run into pages. Next is an example of flowcharts. First, program will start. Next symbol is used to input data, means input value of I. Next, again input data, the value of B, and next processing. Next symbol is processing. This is terminals. For sum is equal to A plus B, and next output data represent for print, sum, and last stop. Examples of algorithm and flowcharts. The algorithm and flowcharts to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. First select the variables of Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius is used to C and Fahrenheit F. Algorithm. The step first, start. Second, input temperature in Celsius, say C. Step 3 is a processing. F is equal to bracket 9.0 upon 5.0 into C bracket close plus 32. This processing data is calculating the value of F is display. Next step 4, display the temperature of Fahrenheit F, and last, after completing the program, last step is stop. Algorithm of same examples. First, start. Next, input value of F. Next, processing this value using formula 5.0 upon 9.0 into F minus 32, and next print C and stop. Session assignment. First question, what is the algorithm? Is 1 marks. Second, write a algorithm and flow charts and factorial number, 4 marks. Thank you.